Okay, everybody, it's Friday. You know what that means, right? And then look at this Friday. We got a whole picture. You know why we have a whole picture? Because if you look around, we've got everybody from Seattle, hey, from Arizona. Everybody's here for the party. Okay? So, 2 glasses aren't going to be enough. We need to make a picture. So let's think of a drink that requires a picture to make. I'm thinking, what better drink to make than a rum punch? Okay?
Yeah.
So, we're going to make rum punch today. Now, when we're making a rum punch, you got to have what?
Rum.
Rum! Thank you. You've seen the show. So, you don't want to use this rum.
What?
I've tried it with this. It's a little too strong. This is a great rum, by the way.
Right,
But you don't want to mix the punch with that rum.
Give me the bottle.
You can use Bacardi, which is a lighter dark rum, or regular white rum. Let's start off with the good stuff. Let's put the rum in there. So let's put a.
Woohoo! Look at all that.
It says it's like a half a cup of rum, but we're professionals.
That's right, we are.
So we'll double it up. Right, Mike?
That's right.
You see the look on his face? They get excited now. All right, so let's do a cup of white rum. Let's do a cup of pineapple juice. I actually use Dole pineapple juice because it's 100%. It's not from concentrate, but it doesn't have a cap on it, right? It's a can. So I saved this bottle. I'm just going to transfer it to that.
Good call.
Yeah, nothing's better than 100%.
Pineapple juice.
Yeah, pineapple juice without the. And then we got people eating the Bronx. But it's all good. That's why we're here. We're having fun. All right, now 100% squeezed orange juice. Let's put that in there. There you go. Oh man, that smells great. Okay. Now, you want to stir this up? Alright, now, before you even pour this into the glass, you want to use either grenadine or why stop now with grenadine when we can use some cherry moonshine?
Perfect.
Let's put some of that down here in the bottom.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that. Let's put some of that down there on the bottom. Alright, then we pour the punch on top.
I like it when he pours it on top.
Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
It almost looks like it's
Nice.
a hurricane.
Then we put a little cherry on top of there.
Couple
We'll just put those cherries on there since I lost my toothpick.
And you
And
lost your cherry.
put the umbrella on there. This is a great show, isn't it? Good thing there's no kids watching. All right, now
Can we have a good rum?
what we can do though, for the people that are stealing stuff in this crowd,
You're the closest seat.
Hot damn!
there's actually a term for this, but I don't remember what it is.
Shit face.
It says called a spirit cocktail.
There you go.
I saw a
Now.
Boilermaker too, so
And Boilermakers with beer.
yeah.
That
I
looks
think
good,
this
doesn't
is
it?
called a spirit
Happy
cocktail.
Friday.